Hey guys, Tim Thomas here. In this video, I'm going to talk about this big ticket postcard system. It has been nothing short of just literally life-changing for many members and for me and my family. This thing has just, I have been talking about this thing for over a year now, and it's just producing results. I've got a big old payment that just came in, and we'll go through it in just a minute. We'll talk about all this on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here, guys. In this video, guys, please like the video. Really help in the ranking of this video. Help ranks it higher. Hit the like button. Could give you 6 more years of good luck. And you may want to consider subscribing to the channel. This channel about money making opportunities and ways to change your life, folks, if you take action. We're going to talk about some income examples in this program. We're going to talk about some income of what we feel that you can make with this program. And but before we do that, guys, income disclaimer: nothing in life happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. This is jaw-dropping. I would join this today if you're able. If you're watching the video, I would join this today, folks. This thing's incredible. The product is leads. The product is support. You're going to have a lot of value in it. Host that line for the life of the program. We host that line forever. For you, as long as you're ever in this program, forever. And we have several levels of participation. And folks, it is mind-blowing. I'm going to show you what just came in, and we'll invite you to come along for the ride. But before we go there, I would invite you to check out, let me go here, check out my YouTube channel, and it's about money make opportunities. There's something for everybody. Everybody, young, old, big, small, tall. There's something for girls, for ladies and gentlemen. Let me put it like that. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something, because, you know, certain programs you have to be 18 years old. But we could not be more excited to offer these programs. Now, I've done, in the playlist, guys, this easy money system, the big ticket postcard system, I have got playlists. In the comment section, I'm going to pin the playlist, and you can check out the playlist. I have, let me see how many videos. I've got over 15 videos right here. 15 videos over the past year talking about this postcard. It is incredible. I've been talking about it for about 2 years now, and it continues every week to produce the goods. And I'm very excited about it. So check out the playlist, guys, and we'll go from there. Let me show you some of the benefits of joining in this program, the levels of participation. We've got, you get leads, you get a certain amount of postcards for it. You're going to get a mindset report. A mindset report is a lengthy report. Complete instructions. The company's going to take care of all the calls for you. It's an 80-20 split. You get 80%. A company gets 20%. You're assigned an ID number, and folks, you can win big. Levels of participation: 500, and you get a certain amount of product with that. The 1500, you get a certain amount of 400 buyer leads, on pill and stick labels, 500 free postcards. $3,500 level, you get a certain amount, and that's just how that thing works. So very excited about this, guys. Check out the playlist. And instructions to join is below. Comment below, or send me an email if you want to get started. If you receive a postcard for somebody in the mail, guys, everybody's assigned an ID number. Take that ID number and join from that. Now, if you're joining from this video, you're going to use ID number 179. Let's get into this real quick. Let me pause this video here. Okay, well, I was going to pause the video, but I'm going to keep rolling. I'll just maybe edit it or leave it. Okay, here's one that just came in, guys, on the 16th of February 16th. And I'm going to, the person's information, I'm not going to reveal that. But we're going to get into this thing here. They sent it priority mail, and on the 16th of February. less than when they melt it. This is taped up pretty good. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to use a pair of scissors to cut into this thing. And let's get it open. Open it up right here before you. Guys, be careful. Don't tear a check or money order or whatever. Let's get into this thing. Here we go. Looks like a money envelope. Money envelope. And let's get this thing open here. Well, there is cash. Cash is king, folks. You can join by Zelle, Cash App, money order, PayPal, or cash. And this person chooses to send. Yeah, so this person sent cash. And folks, if you're sending, you can go priority mail with a cashier's check, money order, or cash, whatever you want to do. You know, however a person wants to send it is up to them. Again, you can use a cashier's check, a money order, or break it up. Let me show you what came in, guys, and I'll count this out real fast and go from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, guys, that was a proof video. Now, I don't do that every day. I don't do that every day on a proof video, guys. This happens on a weekly basis. That's a $1,500 sale. Can you mail a postcard with an ID number? Can you promote a phone number? Tell somebody. Put it on your social media page. If you can say yes, folks, you can collect $1,500 payments on a weekly basis. This is astounding. And again, folks, we just didn't start yesterday in this program. I market a lot of programs. I market a lot of things. But I always go back to what's working over and over and over and over. Folks, programs like this, coupled with other programs, you can make more than a full-time job. It is possible. Of course, your income disclaimer, nothing's going to happen until you take action and you do a lot of it. But folks, the sky can literally be the limit as to what you can do in these programs. Well, that's my time for today. If you want to watch some more proof videos of what this thing has done, check out the playlist in the link below in the pinned comment section. And we'll see you at the top on the road to success and on the next video. Again, make sure you like the video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. And make all your dreams come true, guys. Let's get started today. Let me help you get a hold of me. Let me share with you what I'm doing so you can win big. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.